Hello everyone, today we are making some yummylicious rose milk cake. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so that you can get regular updates of our recipe. In this recipe there are three parts. First is making the sponge, second is the milk, and third is the whipped cream, which is optional. Let's start with making the cake. For that, in a bowl we will take 1 cup of flour, maida, all-purpose flour. To that we will add baking powder, which is flat top. Make sure you flatten the top. Then half teaspoon of baking soda and just mix it. These are our dry ingredients. Now we will add the wet ingredients. I have already sieved my maida, so please do in case you do not keep sieved maida. To that we will add 200 ml of Milkmaid, half cup of water. This is normal room temperature water. To that 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of rose water. You can also add rose syrup 2 spoons. In that case, just little bit reduce the quantity of Milkmaid. To that add half cup of butter, that is around 70 grams. Then 1 drop of pink color. Pink color is again optional if you are adding rose syrup. Then it already has a pre-color. And now mix it properly. Please make sure that you do not have any lumps in the batter. Instead of rose water, you could also use rose essence along with pink color. Now that we have a smooth batter, let's put it in the baking tray. Always grease it with butter, then dust it with flour. And now we will pour it. Bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for around 30 to 35 minutes. Once it starts leaving the edges, then you know that your cake is baked and it should be firm from the center. Here goes our cake batter in the oven. Now let's start working on the milk. We will take 1 cup of milk. It is regular boiled milk, which is now at room temperature. To that we will add 1/4 cup of Milkmaid. Please adjust the consistency of sweetness according to your taste. To this we will add half teaspoon of rose water. Again here you can add essence or rose syrup that you have. In that case you don't need pink color. But since I am adding rose water, I will add 1 drop of pink color. Now mix it and let it incorporate together. Just see how beautiful our milk will start to look. Yes, this is the color we are looking for. And now I think it's already been 30-35 minutes. Let's check on our cake. I have just taken it out from the oven and we will do a poke test. Just poke a pin, and if it comes out clean, our cake is ready to demold. Just put it on the cooling rack so that I do not have soggy bottom. Now since the top is uneven, we will just trim the top of the cake. Just a thin layer. Can you see the beautiful color? I love this pink color. Now you can cut it into the desired size that you want. It can give you from 4 to 8 pieces. I am cutting it into 4 pieces. Now let's just keep it in a plate. And now we will start soaking our sponge with the milk that we have kept in the fridge. Make sure that all the cake sponge is covered with that milk. I will also keep some of the milk aside so that I can use it later at the time of serving. Now I will again keep it in the fridge for another 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I will start whipping my cream. Here I have taken half cup of whipped cream. I am using Tropolite. You could use any cream that is available. Since it is already sweet from before, I am not adding any sweetener. But if you are using any brand which is not sweet, please add powdered sugar to it. We will whip it until we have stiff peak. Here we have stiff peak now. So now we will start piping it on top. You could also just put a layer of whipped cream on top without piping and just spread it evenly. I am using a piping bag. You can also use a milk packet to put the whipped cream on top. Just cut it from top, and without a nozzle also you could pipe it similarly. Just pipe the whipped cream on the entire pieces that we have. See, it's already looking so pretty. I just can't wait to dig in. Now we can just sprinkle whatever nuts you have in hand. I have some pistachio, so I am just spreading some pistachio and some rose petals. These are dried organic rose petals. And now at the last stage, I am going to pour the remaining milk that I had kept before serving. Doesn't this look delish? I think I am already so excited to taste this one. Let's just take a spoon and dig in to the delicious rose milk cake. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed or pressed the bell icon, please do that so that you get regular updates on my videos. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you.